this is what we're talking about today, and what I am driving under. These are the conditions that we are exposed to in order to go to work. This is what we call responsibility. This is what we call determination. This is also what we call needing money, flat out. God bless us all, and hopefully we could get through this without any issues or accidents. But this is not pretty, that's for sure. You don't know where the heck the lines are at or anything for that matter. Let's find a nice clean spot here. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is pretty good. Allow ourselves a little more distance from the vehicle in front. That way, in case we have to make a stop, we have enough time and we don't slide into anyone, slide into anyone, slide into anyone. This is the time I had to go in today. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless us, and hope you have a great day. In case no one told you, I love you.